looked like a whole banana. He's like,
I know.
and then he left his tongue ring groove.
That's gross.
That's really gross.
Oh.
Heck, you videotape at the worst times.
Oh.
You videotape
Stop blowing me, Desiree.
Oh man. Another awkward comment.
There's nothing awkward.
You just
Steven needs another hug.
There's taping.
You're just thinking dirty.
Need another
You're thinking
hug.
dirty.
Or blur your face out.
Okay.
Who's that? Nobody.
Yeah.
No.
Who was your teacher that time? Nobody.
Get rid of it now.
Oh, we'll blur your face out.
Yeah, we'll blur your face out.
Trust that
We'll
you-
mask your voice so you all like this.
Get rid of it now.
They
All right.
keep on gangland where they're all hidden and like, go. Just make this. Remember this?
Oh my God! You just almost hit my projector.
It'd have to be like.
No, Ben, you came pretty close.
Ben,
Yeah,
you
Ben,
came
you
really
were-
close.
You came pretty
Ben,
close.
you were kind of close. You were.
Don't push me because I'm close to the edge.
Oh, we got an.
I'll kick you in
Oh.
the face and tuck you in
Like your
bed.